my recent vlog, we documented our days in Kurashiki in Okayama Prefecture. And since the place we stayed was so cool, I decided to create a bonus video showing you guys what it's like to stay in this renovated, over 90 years old Japanese housing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Welcome back. Just came to one of the coolest hotel, or like not Airbnb, but the place that you can stay in Kurashiki, well, Kojima specifically. And I thought it's so cool. I just wanted to share and make a video, just a quick video for you guys, a little bonus episode. So let's get right in and let me show you guys what's like inside. Come on in. So as soon as you walk in the main gate, this is like the front yard that you guys will see. I sound like a real estate video right now, but trust me, I'm just making purely for the vibes. Also, they have a little geta for us. Tamaki-chan. I think that's very cute. And this is the main entrance. Well, I mean, I guess that's the entrance and this is like the main entrance. And the place that we're staying is called the Denim House Bon, B-O-N. Yeah, we stayed the other branch on the first night. This is our second night. There's like a wooden bench right here and there's a noren that has the sign of the hotel. And noren is like a lot of Japanese restaurant has, like before the entrance of the door, which is like separates the outside and the inside of the store. I thought that's pretty cool as well. So we have a little nakaniwa, which is like an in-house yard, but we will get that into later in the video. Sorry, my voice is like kind of cracking too. Yeah. So this is the entrance of the room, and as you guys can see, there's like this little mid-sized washi ceiling lamp, which I am a big fan of, and it has like a really dark wooden tone ceiling. So they completely renovated kominka, but leaving a lot of the older elements of old Japanese style housing. So as you guys can see, there's like a direct connection to the in-house yard. My favorite part is that there's an elevation in your genkan, which is like the main entrance of your house. So since this is a hotel that you can rent the entire old Japanese house, we have 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. As you guys can see, there's like a queen size, like a Japanese queen size bed. We have air purifier. I think this is old. This is old. The ceiling is old as well. They renovated the door. So I think at least they kept the style of the ceiling, the wall. I think the wall is actually the original. The ceiling too, a little bit, I don't know. This tatami mattresses are brand new. There's like no wear and tear. And not only that, since this hotel is denim themed, because Okayama is known for Momotaro jeans or like other denim brands, and especially we're staying at Kojima. I forgot what it's called. The cloth edge of these tatami mattresses, it has an indigo color to it and it adds a lot. And it's like very minimal compared to like the traditional tatami, you know, edges. These are really cool. They added this wooden, like an open rack. It's literally attached to the wall. And they put this, I think this is hariko. If you press their head moves. So Okayama is known for this Japanese historical hero fiction story called Momotaro. The direct translation is Peach Boy. And this is a statue of Peach Boy. Bro is literally born from the peach. This is the denim sofa. It's like an indigo sofa. I think this is super chill. I love this rug. This is the entrance, that one that you guys just saw. This is some of the coolest rug I've ever seen. And there's a second washi lantern. Who hates washi lantern? If you hate washi lantern, please comment down below. You're not a human being. Yes, Tamaki, keep telling me. So this is the second bedroom. There's like a little desk for work and air conditioner. Ignore my bags and stuff. This is the pajama, which is also made out of denim, what they call the nylon denim fabric. Super cozy, nice pajama. It was nice to wear. You know, we wore it in the first hotel. This is the second bedroom. The air conditioner is pretty low. I mean, as you guys can see, old Japanese style home, very low ceiling. Yeah, they kind of renovated it a little bit. You were able to put like ceiling light and stuff. So like you can tell that they repainted the wall. They redid the floor to flooring, like a Western style house. Little table, super cute. Another denim sofa. I'm not mad at this. This is pretty comfy. And this is 2 single beds. I like it. It's a little a little new. I won't say westernized. I think there's a good minimal Japanese style to it with the elevated floor, the wooden, you know, mattress floor with a little bit of futon action. So this is the second, well, I think this is the proper nakaniwa. That one is just separated between the main yard and the second in-house yard, but this is the actual nakaniwa. So old Japanese houses, a lot of them by design choice, they made a yard in the house so you can have outdoor experience in the house too. I want this in my future house. I'm wishing for that. We have natural light coming in. It's like 7 p.m. so it's like a blue hour. You can enjoy the actual sunlight here. It's a sekite. Sekite is like a rock yard. The ground is made out of these white pebbles, and there's like a bunch of rocks, like accent artistic rocks around here. Little pond rock, lantern rock, bunch of rocks. It's super cool. It's a nice place to chill. You can open it, obviously, and you can use as a little ventilation for your house too, like a fresh new air, blah, blah, blah. But right now it's just too freaking hot. It's like 32, 33 degrees Celsius at 7 p.m. 80% humidity. That's insane. Over there, you can chill on the wooden floor. And yeah, it's nice. It's just so beautiful. This is the kitchen. I love this kitchen. You have a little counter. There's like the original pillar, like a tray pillar here. And there's an open rack for a bunch of actually really cool plates and cups. You can make coffee, you can make hot water, boiled water. You can make rice by yourself. And from the hotel, we have our dinner served in the fridge. So our dinner is sukiyaki. Because we are having this place by ourselves, you know, we can just eat whenever we want and make some banger sukiyaki. One thing that I won't say I don't like, this is kind of, it is what it is type of situation, but everything is so low because they renovated this place, and a lot of, you know, not old, but like Japanese house in general, even my current apartment, for me, it's kind of struggle to eat stuff like while standing or cook stuff because everything is just like close to the ground. This is the dining room. We have a huge rounded table, nice denim chairs, literally. And I love this ceiling. It's so beautiful. It has a rich brown color to it. I feel like a lot of door frames are the original door frames, so it's very thin. And you can hear a lot of outside noises. You know, it's kind of hard for a content creator because we need to record in a quiet room, but for a living purpose, I think you can listen to cicadas, a lot of rain sound, wind, and I really love outdoor sound in my room, so that's super cool as well. I don't know if you guys can hear the cicadas because of, you know, my mic situation, but I really love it. It's super, like, just calm. One of my favorite things about their hotel, the group that owns this Denim Hotels, we stayed in the other one the first night, that was super cool, but they sell their own jeans in the hotel. I will leave the brand and the website under the description below, but that's really sweet. It's super cool. And there's a second floor. I thought why there's a second floor. They already have the first floor displaying all the products and stuff. This floor featured multiple panels that explain the brand's origin, its mission, and the brief history of the house. Also, this house is over 90 years old, reaching to 100. That is actually insane. This was really heartwarming to read and very interesting to know how small brands are doing their best to pass the knowledge and charm of what Okayama is known for to the next generation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was one of the coolest places that I ever stayed, and whenever you guys are in town, please check out Bon Denim House. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.